So this is the first one we came in that had the dinette set down as a bed.
Yeah.
I'm actually curious. Kelly, lay down there, will you?
Here?
Yeah. Just tell me what you feel. Is it like bumpy, or how many nights could you sleep there? Does the middle feel higher than the ends?
Feels completely flat.
Okay. So one person, you're the same height as us, pretty much.
Yeah. Yep.
So there's still bunks
Mm-hmm.
that would actually be for you guys, but this is extra. One window.
Quite a bit cooler today than it was.
Yeah, that's nice, huh? Overcast. So yeah, so you have the sink out there only, right? So
And it's just for curtains, I think.
You tie down the thing or attach it, yeah, put it in there so it doesn't move.
or maybe a little like privacy keeps it. I don't know.
So this is the size that we're looking at, Kelly.
This is a 19, by the way, and it's 17.6.
I guess that's why it feels like the bathroom has more room in it. Well, we were looking at a 17, this is a 19, but it's the same exact layout.